And in a buyer's market, which is what we're in right now, the buyer is the most important person in the room. If you're wondering, well, why is the buyer the most important person in the room? Let's just imagine it's you. And you're there and you're trying to sell your house. And you have an auction. And one person turns up. One person. That person is the most important person in the room. You want to be the most important person in the room. Scared and fearful is the primary emotion that drives a buyer's market. And so the behavior that flows from that, like I said, people tend to panic. So they're like, oh, that's it, get rid of the property, sell it, or they just sit on their hands. People become uncertain. And so they say, you know what, I think the best thing to do is wait. But what people get wrong is understanding on who you should be in each of those markets. So in a seller's market, you want to be the seller. In a buyer's market, you want to be the buyer. So the opportunity that we're seeing is to buy in the most challenged markets, in the great locations, great properties at a below market price. That's the opportunity right now. Fear is not the best emotion to make decisions from, especially investing decisions, especially decisions where you're trying to build wealth. In a buyer's market, which is what we're in now, the buyer is the most important person in the room. So be that person.